In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn TikTok notifications off on your phone. So you're probably getting loads of push notifications to your phone saying that someone just posted this video, blah, 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 or one of your videos is blowing up and you're getting notifications all the time from people commenting and liking the video, and it's just starting to get really annoying. So what you can do is turn the notifications off for certain actions like likes and comments, and then just leave inbox notifications on so you can still see when you're getting messages, or you can just choose to turn everything off with one tap of a button. So anyway, to do this, go ahead and open up TikTok and be logged in, of course. You need to then press me at the bottom right, and from here your page should look like this, and if you look you should see 3 black dots at the top right of the screen, so just go ahead and press that. Now scroll down the page until you're under the content and activity section and press on push notifications just below that subheading. And here you can go ahead and customize what actions send a notification to your phone. You can go ahead and turn all of these off like this: interactions, messages, videos, updates, live and other. Or you can choose a custom list based on your notification preferences. Now, alternatively, if you want to just turn all notifications off for TikTok, what you have to do is come out of TikTok and go to your phone's settings, scroll down to notifications, then find TikTok from this list, and when you found it, turn off all notifications by pressing the toggle just here. And now you won't get any notifications whatsoever from TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to help get this video out to more people, and also help me on my journey to becoming the biggest how-to channel on YouTube. And of course, don't forget to let me know in the comments if this is still working, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.